This is how I do the vertical banners. So if you're in your Walgreens account, so you're over in posters, and that's where you can find the banners. So I just click on upload your own design, and I use the 2x6 banner paper, create now. And then I already have it uploaded, and it's this one that I want. So I'm going to press add to project, and it's saying low resolution, pick a different photo. That's okay. I'm just going to close that. And then I'm going to click on minimize. And now I'm just going to rotate it, and I'm going to make it bigger. If you click on full photo, it will just end up going back to how it was a little bit ago. And then I just keep resizing till it covers all the white. There we go. And that looks good. And then I just hit review order. So it's asking which banner I want, and then you just go through and proceed to your cart. So that's it. You can make another one, and you can see right now it's showing you how it's going to look. And there's always coupons, so make sure you're using your coupons because I never pay this full price. Hopefully that helps, and I would love to know if you're making banners, or tag me when you have them up.